Did you know that over 70% of traders use candlestick patterns to guide their trades? Today, we'll break down 3 candlestick patterns every trader should know. The problem? Markets are noisy. Not every candlestick is reliable. And spotting the right patterns can be overwhelming. The first pattern is the Doji. It signals indecision in the market. The Doji shows a draw. Buyers and sellers are equal. Nobody's in control yet. And a trend reversal may be near. Next is the Bullish Engulfing pattern. A large green candle fully covers the red candle before it, signaling strong buying pressure and a potential reversal to the upside. Finally, the shooting star. A small body with a long wick to the upside shows buyers tried to push higher, but sellers took control, often a bearish reversal signal. To recap, the Doji shows indecision, the bullish engulfing signals strong buying, and the shooting star warns of a bearish reversal. 3 powerful patterns every trader must know. Want more trading insights like this? Subscribe to Market Mindset University and level up your mindset and your trading edge.